Okay, here's a brand new Goodman central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. This unit replaced a older Lennox unit. Replaced a older Lennox unit like that large one over there. .13 force here. And it is a 5-ton from 2025. Nice, another 2025 unit. Has a couple and scroll compressor. Brownish motor, and I believe this unit does have R32 refrigerant because it's got the refrigerant tag on it, the flammable refrigerant tag on it. But nice. And don't think it's been running. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this brand new unit. Ooh, and it's also mounted on wooden pallets, I think. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.